How to run your affiliate marketing platform on WordPress. What could be easier? Get coffee, read a book, another one, and another one. Throw them away, more coffee. Create a design. No, a stunning design. Okay, tear it down. Start from scratch. Cry. One more coffee. Call a designer, call a nerd. Not this one, that one. Pay them, pay again, and again, and again. Count losses. Cry again. Maybe you're not cut out for this after all. Or maybe you should go the other way. Go to PitchGround.com. Get a lifetime deal for Affiliate Booster. Select from more than 25 Gutenberg blocks. Create a stunning design for your affiliate page. Feed your cat. Count your profit. Now go get that lifetime deal for Affiliate Booster at PitchGround.com.